And so, the journey began. With the Robbie Sucks trailer hooked up, I began to pack. Sierra, well, she packed too much. And the kids, they were pretty stoked. So we decided to hit the road. At first, the travel went as smooth as it could be. But then it started to rain. And then snow. And then rain again for 10 hours. Eventually, the weather cleared up and we kept going. Down through Oklahoma till we found a Buc-ee's! The kids love Buc-ee's, although we spent way too much. My wife, though, look at her, perfect, found a zoo. And of course, we had to go. So we hauled ass the opposite direction to go to the zoo, where there were animals, a lot of petting, so much petting. A lion! More petting of animals. There was this guy, great white buffalo, and a giraffe. The giraffe was awesome.
No.
Wait, I should just do this. How could you?
The boys began scheming how to take the giraffe. I said, no, this isn't Pokemon. The girls had a great time too, but ultimately I knew we had to get back onto the road because we still had a long drive to get to Ohio. What's going on, guys? It's Robbie. Welcome to Cruise Chef, your home for easy maintenance meals. If you're on the go, like I am, got a big family, high demand job, maintenance. Anyway, if you got all that, you don't really have a lot of time to cook. Guess what you can do? Make it easy. We're grilling tilapia. You only got a couple of minutes and you got some fish left in the freezer. It's real quick. Get your skillet, set it to medium heat. There's your skillet, set it to medium heat. Put on your tilapia. Hit it with that New Holland seasoning. And then you're gonna let it grill. You're gonna let it grill do its little thing. Now you know. Guarantee it's gonna come out great. Chef's kiss. This has been Cruise Chef, your home for easy maintenance meals. After our drive, we made it to Ohio, home of Skyline Chili, the Pro Football Hall of Fame, and the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. Also the birthplace of the Wright brothers, and home to the Ohio State University. Hashtag national champion. Did I also mention the home of Four Loko? You're welcome, world. Just as we pulled up to my parents' house, something unexpected happened. We're driving. You hear that? I think the brakes are going out. No, I don't got power steering. Oh, shit! Turns out, my Hydra Boost brake booster went out. Life did throw me a curveball, but that's okay, we got there safe, and I'm Robbie. I'm gonna figure this out, but not before I go to a rock concert. Cue Sonic Temple! This is a great time with my family. Take a look at these photos and enjoy the show. Well, that's going to do it, guys, for today's episode of Robbie Sucks. Tune in next time for part 3 and find out how I fix the truck and make it back home safe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you want to support the channel, hit up RobbieSucksStore.com. Remember, it's okay to suck. Just don't give up. I love you, and I'll see you next time. Peace.